In the fast-paced world of global finance, few stories capture the imagination quite like that of George Soros, the man who famously broke the Bank of England in 1992. This real-life financial thriller unfolds against the backdrop of a transforming European financial landscape and a struggling British pound. Soros's audacious gamble, executed with daring tactics, forever altered the course of international markets and showcased the high-stakes nature of the financial world. The early 1990s witnessed seismic shifts in the global financial landscape. Europe harbored a grand ambition, unifying its diverse currencies into a singular monetary force, a precursor to the euro. This ambition gave rise to the European Exchange Rate Mechanism, ERM, which pegged several European currencies to the Deutsche Mark, establishing fixed exchange rates among them. Among the currencies in the ERM was the British pound, but Britain was grappling with economic challenges. The nation was mired in recession, and the specter of high inflation loomed. Against this backdrop, the pound's fixed rate within the ERM appeared increasingly precarious, like a ticking time bomb awaiting a spark. The collision of Europe's grand vision with the UK's economic struggles painted a complex picture of ambition, vulnerability, and impending change. Amidst this financial uncertainty, George Soros, an investor, hailing from Hungary, saw an opportunity. He believed that the British pound was overvalued, given the UK's economic woes. Soros predicted that the UK would either have to devalue the pound or exit the ERM altogether. Acting on this belief, he executed a daring move known as short selling. In essence, Soros borrowed significant amounts of British pounds, sold them, and planned to buy them back later at a lower rate, profiting from the price difference. It was a high-stakes play in the world of finance. In September 1992, George Soros made his audacious move, betting heavily against the British pound. It's estimated that he put a staggering $10 billion on the line for this gamble alone. The Bank of England, sensing the pound's vulnerability and the massive bets against it, sprang into action to defend its currency. Their strategy? Buying up large quantities of pounds and raising interest rates to attract investors back to the currency. It was their countermove, akin to a chess player protecting their king. However, Soros remained undeterred. He held onto his position with unwavering confidence, like a seasoned poker player with a high-stakes hand. On a fateful day now known as Black Wednesday, the tides of finance took a dramatic turn. Despite the Bank of England's efforts, it became painfully clear that supporting the pound was akin to trying to hold back the tide with a bucket. The cost was simply too high. In a landmark decision, the UK announced its exit from the ERM. Almost instantly, the pound plummeted like a stone tossed into a pond. For Soros, this was the moment of triumph. His audacious gamble, perceived by many as reckless, had proven to be a masterstroke. Within a few days, he not only recouped his massive bet, but pocketed a profit exceeding $1 billion. This event not only enriched him but solidified his place in history. He wasn't just a successful trader anymore. He had become a financial legend, destined to be remembered for generations. In the aftermath of Black Wednesday, Britain was left reeling, and many in the UK pointed fingers at speculators like Soros, holding them responsible for the financial chaos. However, as time passed, a different narrative emerged. Some experts argued that Black Wednesday, while initially painful, had actually benefited the country. How? The devalued pound made British products more attractive to foreign buyers, leading to a surge in exports. This, in turn, injected a much-needed boost to the economy. So, while the immediate aftermath was grim and filled with blame, in the long run, the crisis became a catalyst. It inadvertently set Britain on a path to economic rejuvenation, turning a perceived curse into an unexpected blessing. George Soros's journey to financial stardom began far from the bustling lanes of Wall Street, on the scarred streets of wartime Europe. Born in 1930 in Budapest to a Jewish family, Soros experienced the horrors of Nazi occupation firsthand. Escaping fascism's clutches, he soon faced another threat: communism. Choosing freedom, a young Soros made his way to London with little more than hope. Arriving with empty pockets, but a thirst for knowledge, he studied and observed the world around him. From these humble beginnings, Soros's ascent to billionaire status was nothing short of remarkable. It wasn't just luck, it was his unique ability to predict market trends, a fearless approach to risks, and an insatiable drive to seize every opportunity that came his way. George Soros's bet against the Bank of England is a striking episode in the annals of finance. It underscores the immense power held by individual investors in shaping global markets. This monumental move reveals the delicate interplay between a nation's economic stance and the unpredictable realm of speculative trading. More than a story of profit, Soros's feat serves as a stark lesson in the rapid-paced world of finance. Fortunes can shift almost instantly. As vast sums change hands and entire economies teeter on decisions made by a few, Soros's tale stands as a testament to the fragile balance of the financial world, where destinies are carved in mere moments. In the dynamic arena of global finance, George Soros's audacious move in 1992 will forever be etched in history as a testament to the power of one individual to reshape the world of high-stakes finance. If you found this story of George Soros and the high-stakes world of finance inspiring and informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more compelling content like this. Your support motivates us to bring you more engaging narratives from the world of finance and beyond. Thank you for being a part of our community.